A square piece of crocheted fabric made with a single color or combinations of colors, the granny square is a timeless crochet piece used in creating different projects. Visit the links in the description box below to learn how to create a trendy pouch using this granny square tutorial. Hello and welcome back to Chives. To recreate the classic granny square in this video, you will be needing the following materials. With your violet-colored yarn, begin by creating a magic ring and chaining 4. Repeat this pattern, double crochet inside the magic ring and chain 1. Repeat this 6 more times. To create a double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the magic ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops in the hook. Pull the ring close. Slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the beginning chain. This is round 1 of the pattern. Round 2, chain 3. Hook in 2 double crochets into the 1st stitch. Hook in 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Repeat this pattern, chain 3. Hook in 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, 2 times. Repeat the pattern 2 more times. Chain 3 and slip stitch in the top of the beginning chain using your gray yarn to join. Round 3, chain 3. Double crochet 2 together. chain 3, double crochet 3 together and chain 3. To double crochet 3 together, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, repeat 2 more times. Yarn over and pull through all the loops in the hook. Repeat this pattern, double crochet 3 together in the next chain 3 space. Chain 3, double crochet 3 together in the same chain 3 space. Chain 3, double crochet 3 together in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3, double crochet 3 together in the next 3 stitches. And chain 3. Repeat the pattern 3 more times. Chain 3 and slip stitch in the top of the beginning chain using your violet colored yarn to join. Round 4. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Slip stitch in the next chain 3 space and chain 3. Hook in 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Chain 1. 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space and chain 1. Repeat this pattern. Hook in 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space and chain 3. Three double crochets in the same chain 3 space and chain 1. Three double crochets in the next chain 3 space and chain 1. Repeat this part of the pattern 2 more times. Repeat the entire pattern 3 more times. Hook in 3 double crochets in the last chain 3 space and chain 1. Slip stitch in the top of the beginning chain to join. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.